All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video for the GameXtrem TWS-J92 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, we're going to test the onboard microphones on these earbuds in two different scenarios. Okay? So we're going to test it in an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it, as y'all can hear right now. And then we're also going to test it in a simulated crowdy or noisy environment. Okay? So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So starting off the test, we're testing out the microphones in the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. That's this scenario right here. Okay. And then now to simulate our crowdy environment or our noisy environment, I have some crowd noise pulled up in the background coming through my TV here that we're going to use to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment as I almost dropped the remote like a noob. All right, so I'm going to push play. I'm going to let the noise play for about 10 seconds, about 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and this should give you guys and gals an idea of how the onboard microphones do at isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient noises. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and push play. Let's go. Okay, now I'm just going to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and this should give you guys and gals an idea of how these microphones perform in a simulated, noisy, or cloudy environment. I won't actually know how this sounds until I watch the video back in post, but hopefully these microphones do a great job. Okay, that should about do it for the test here today. So let's go ahead and push pause. Okay? And that, guys and gals, essentially does it for today's video. All right? So now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know how I set up today's video and what camera is recording today's video. So today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. So recording all the audio for today's video are the microphones on the GameXtrem TWS-J92 Bluetooth earbuds. Okay? Now, real quickly, I also want to walk y'all through how I have everything set up. So I'm going to throw up some B-roll now. And you can see in the B-roll, all I did was connect up the earbuds to my S10e. Okay. Then I went ahead and verified that the earbuds were connected, as you can see here. And then all I did was jump into the Samsung Galaxy stock camera application, switch the modes over to video pro mode, and then all I did was switch the audio source from the onboard audio for the onboard microphones for the S10e to Bluetooth input audio. All right. Then you can also see I went ahead and set the volume on my TV that I use for the ambient noise or crowd noise. And then all I did was push record, spin the cameras around, and that's how we set up today's video. Okay, everyone. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. I hope everyone is having a great day out there today and staying safe. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. For some relatively inexpensive earbuds, I hope these microphones really do a good job. From the testing that I've done so far, they seem to be doing pretty good, but I won't know how they did for this video until I watch the video back in post. But I hope everyone enjoyed it. I hope everyone found it helpful, and I'll catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.